This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly. Pull the safety catch forwards. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet prop from its clip. Engage the bonnet prop to support the bonnet. Chock the rear wheels. Position the jackhead under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Prise up the centre pins and lever out the plastic expansion rivets each side of the undertray. Undo the torque screws and remove the deflector at the front of the undertray. Remove the torque screws at the front edge of the undertray. Undo the screws at the rear edge and slide the undertray forwards, noting how it engages with the subframe. Remove the tray from under the vehicle. Position a suitable container under the engine sump drain plug. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug, then unclip the wiring loom. Disconnect the vacuum hose from the side of the air outlet. Slacken the clamp and disconnect the air outlet hose. Release the pipe retaining clip from the bracket and unclip the rubber strap. Pull the housing upwards from the rubber mountings and manoeuvre it from place. Unscrew and remove the oil filler cap from the top of the engine. Slacken the clamp and remove the air duct from the turbocharger intake. Place a cloth under the oil filter housing, then using a suitable socket, slacken the oil filter cap. Unscrew and remove the filter cap along with the filter element. Wipe clean the inside of the filter housing. Pull the old filter element from the cap and remove the sealing ring. Clean the filter cap. Fit the new sealing ring to the cap, then lubricate it with clean engine oil. Lubricate the small sealing ring on the base of the element with clean engine oil. Install the new filter element into the housing, ensuring the lug at the base of the element engages correctly with the corresponding hole in the housing. Refit the filler cap and tighten it to the correct torque. Using a spanner, or preferably a suitable socket and bar, slacken and remove the engine sump drain plug. Allow the oil to drain into the container. Wipe clean the drain plug and renew the sealing washer. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug opening and screw in the new drain plug. Tighten the plug using a torque wrench. The oil drain container can now be removed from underneath the vehicle. Align the marks on the hose and intake, then refit the air hose and tighten the retaining clamp securely. Unscrew the oil filler cap from the top of the engine. With the help of a funnel, add the correct specification of oil to the engine. Pour in half the specified quantity at first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the sump. Withdraw the oil level dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. Add more oil as necessary to bring the level to the lower mark on the dipstick, then add approximately 1 litre more to bring the level to the upper mark. Do not overfill. With the level correct, remove the funnel and securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes while checking for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the low oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the new oil filter and the engine oil galleries before the pressure builds up. Position the tray under the vehicle. Engage the under tray with the subframe each side. Then refit the rear screws and tighten them securely. Fit and tighten the front screws securely. Refit the front deflector and tighten the retaining screws. Refit the plastic expansion rivet each side, then press the centre pins down to secure them. Raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Stop the engine. Wait a few minutes, then recheck the oil level. If required, undo the filler cap and add oil to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Securely refit the filler cap. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.